Hi, my name is Matthew Wellman and I'm playing Jimmy and Oompa Loompas in it, and I'm also doing the assistant directing. Yeah, I am actually. It's an amazing cast and crew. Everybody's really fun, friendly. We're having a really good time, and I actually remember how much I love the show. I'm like getting this flashback from when I was a child watching the film. So yeah, we're having a really good time. Well, I guess it's a bit of a switch, really. So you kind of go into actor mode, or you go into assisting mode. So I suppose as an actor, you kind of get in the head of the character, and you're thinking about all the moves and the things that you're doing. Whereas when I sit on the other side of the table to do the assisting or looking after the children actors in it, you kind of start seeing the bigger picture of it, and you start seeing more about how the whole stage looks and whether the moments are landing. So yeah, it's a bit like a switch for a light, I guess. Yeah. I am particularly enjoying Jerry at the minute because he is very much a larger-than-life character. And actually, what we found with him is we found a lot of creative play in sort of who this person is and the showman of him, which is a lot of fun, actually. So, and his dynamic with Cherry is a really interesting one. So yeah, I think there's going to be a lot to see with those two characters when we open, I think. Well, I think it's useful for a director to have an assistant, to have someone to sort of bounce ideas off. Because Richard's done all the preparation for it and all this, but I suppose a lot of the time it's useful for him to have someone to sort of talk through ideas, because a lot of it is in his head until you get into the rehearsal room. So so to sort of through moments, and then I might be able to suggest something that he might take or not take in that case. And in this show, my role is mostly focused on helping the continuity with all the children in it, because obviously we have duplicate casts, so it's really important that we make sure that the show is the same show, even though we have different actors in it. So I kind of look after the continuity of that a little bit, and making sure that the direction is continuous. I love being an actor in it as well as the assistant, because I really love the sense of community you have as an actor and being part of the company. I think sometimes when you're on the creative team, you can sort of be separated from it. So I think I enjoy both, because I like the creativity of being in the creative team, but I love being part of the community and the comradeship of the company as the actor as well. So I kind of get best of both worlds, which is a gift.